Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we'll be looking at the construction of the triangle. In the previous video, we looked at the construction of the triangle given the base angle, and the length of a side. In that video, we also drew a second video whereby the information that was given for the triangle was to construct the triangle given the base angle, and a side which was not on the side that was given the base angle. At CAD with Mr. Yu, we aim to become your favorite CAD resource online. We hope that you are doing spectacular, and we thank you for joining us, and we'll be starting the video now. Welcome to CAD with Mr. Yu. In today's video, we're constructing a triangle given base the base angle, and the altitude. So the first thing we're going to draw is the baseline. We're going to turn on snap. We're going to turn on ortho. We're going to click here. The length of the line is 90 millimeters. Enter. Enter. I'm going to center the drawing for you. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do, we're going to label the points A and B for the line. So we're going to turn off snap. Going to select right here. The height would be 4, rotation angle 0. This would be A. This would be B. Alright, the next thing we're gonna draw the altitude. So we're gonna draw the altitude by drawing a parallel line. So we're gonna mark an arc. Center start in. The center will be at A. The radius will be 40 millimeters. Enter. We're gonna turn off ortho. Good. Enter. We're gonna go center, start, end, and at B. Gonna mark an arc 40 millimeters, enter. Gonna center the drawing. We're gonna mark another arc at the midpoint of the line. This arc is just a check to check that we drew the arcs correctly. So go there. The radius is 40, enter. Enter. What we're going to do now, we're going to draw a line. We're going to number these points here. So this would be there. The height to be 4, rotation angle 0. This would be 1. This would be 2. This would be 3. Alright. What we're going to do now, we're going to draw a straight line to touch those 3 arcs tangentially. And that will be the altitude. So we go line, click here, click there, click there, enter. What we're going to do, we're going to extend it to the left, and we're going to extend it to the right. Alright, so let's center this one. We're going to put it down here. So we're going to click on it. Good. So this line now is the parallel line which represents the altitude, right? So we can label that line if we choose to do so. So this will be single line text. So our start point will be here. The height will be 4, rotation angle 0. This will be C, and this will be D. Alright, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna label the altitude. So we're gonna go A to B. I'm gonna put it here. We're gonna click on this, and this will be the altitude. Alright, good. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna construct the 60-degree angle at A. Alright, so I'm gonna go arc, center start end, center C, radius 15 millimeters. I mark an arc. I'm going to label this point 4. Single line text. The height is 4, rotation angle 0. This will be 4. From 4, I'm going to mark an arc equal to the radius of the previous arc, which was 15 millimeters. So we're going to come here, center there, radius will be 15. This point right here would be 5. We don't have to label it, but I want to label it so you can follow, okay? This is 5. All right, the line drawn from A to 5, that would be the 60-degree angle, okay? So I zoom it up so that we can see. So we go line from A to the intersection here. Enter. We're going to use the extend command to extend this line. Good. All right, let's zoom back. We're going to scroll the mouse wheel. We're going to center the drawing so you can see. All right, so this point would be E. So I go single line text. This would be E. The line drawn from E to B, that would be the required triangle, okay? Enter. So let's put these lines on the outline to darken it. Good. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna label, put on the dimensions for the base of the triangle. This will be 90. We're gonna move the A. Gonna move the A. Enter. Put it right there. We're gonna indicate the altitude, which was 40. So we go from A to E. That's 40. I need to move the C, okay? We're gonna go move, select the object, enter, select the base point. I need to turn off object snap. Good. Likewise, I'm gonna move D. It's too close to the label. All right, a little better. All right, so we're gonna indicate the angle here, right? So we go annotation, angular. We click this line and this line, and then we insert the 60 degree right there. All right, so that is a 60 right there. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna label it, right? So we're gonna go text, multi-line text. So I'm gonna choose from here to there, and it's to construct a triangle given the base, comma, base angle and altitude. So if we want to indicate the base angle, we can put it in brackets and we could say EAB. All right, so let us center the drawing. So this is our completed triangle given the base, length of the base was 90, the base angle which was 60 degree, and the altitude which was 40 millimeters. So good job if you followed along. In the next video, we'll be looking at the construction of a triangle given the altitude and the two sides. We're looking forward to seeing you in that video. Please take care until we meet again. Bye. We have come to the end of today's video. In the next video, we'll be continuing the construction of the triangle. Specifically, we'll be drawing the triangle given the altitude and the length of two sides. At CAD with Mr. Hugh, we aim to become your favorite CAD resource online, and we thank you for joining us. We see you in the next video. Take care until we meet again. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.